What is up, PC builders and gamers? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something incredibly exciting to talk about. A graphics card that might just redefine the sweet spot for mainstream PC gaming. Your wait might finally be over. Today, we are taking a deep dive into the brand new MSI Gaming RTX 5060 T16G Ventus 2X OC+. This isn't just another incremental update. This is a massive leap forward powered by the NVIDIA Blackwell Architecture. We'll talk about the massive 16GB of ultra-fast GDDR7 memory, the Ventus 2X cooling design, and if it's right for your build. If you want to check out pricing or pick up this GPU, I've dropped a link at the top of the description below. Clicking that link is the best way to support the channel, and it takes you straight to Amazon for the best deals. Let's get into the review. Let's kick things off by talking about the absolute star of the show, the architecture and the memory. For the last couple of years, the biggest complaint in the PC gaming community has been video RAM. Gamers were constantly hitting bottlenecks with 8GB of RAM. MSI and NVIDIA have clearly been listening. This model, the RTX 5060 T Ventus 2X OC+, comes armed with a staggering 16GB of RAM. But it is not just any VRAM. This is the brand new GDDR7 memory running on a 128-bit bus. Why does GDDR7 matter? It comes down to sheer bandwidth and speed. Memory clock speeds pushing an incredible 2565 MHz. GDDR7 allows the GPU to load massive high-resolution textures, complex shadow maps, and massive open-world environments almost instantly. Whether gaming at high refresh rate 1080p or pushing into 1440p, you won't see frustrating frame drops or stutters. You are completely future-proofing your desktop for the next generation of Unreal Engine 5 games. Driving all of this memory is the revolutionary NVIDIA Blackwell Architecture, the beating heart of the GeForce RTX 5060 Ti. Blackwell represents a generational leap in performance per watt. It is incredibly power efficient, meaning it can hit extreme performance boost clocks without turning your PC case into an absolute oven. With Blackwell, you are also getting the next generation of tensor cores and ray tracing cores. This means features like DLSS and frame generation are going to look better and run faster than ever before. You can turn on full path tracing in demanding AA games and still maintain buttery smooth frame rates, which was previously impossible on a 60-class graphics card. A true game changer. Now, let's talk about the physical design of this card because MSI has done something really smart here. This is the Ventus 2X OC+ edition. The 2X means it features a dual fan cooling. In an era where graphics cards are getting massive, taking up 3 or even 4 slots in a case, the Ventus 2X is a breath of fresh air. From mid-towers to more compact micro ATX builds, MSI's thermal design is top tier. These two fans are more than enough to keep the extreme performance clock speeds stable during long, intense gaming sessions. Plus, as the OC+ in the name implies, this card comes factory overclocked right out of the box. You don't need to be a software tweaking expert to get maximum performance, because this is a massive upgrade that content creators and hardcore display enthusiasts are going to love. The video output interface on this RTX 5060 Ti features 3 DisplayPort 2.1a connections and 1 HDMI 2.1b port. Let me repeat that. DisplayPort 2.1a. This is a massive deal. You have the bandwidth to push absolutely insane resolutions and refresh rates without any display stream compression. 4320. That is full 8K resolution, which is perfect for hooking up to modern OLED living room televisions. You have unparalleled flexibility for your display setup. If you are currently sitting on an older RTX 2060, a 3060, or even a 4060, and you have been feeling the pain of newer games stuttering because of low RAM, this is the upgrade path you have been waiting for. The combination of the hyper-efficient NVIDIA Blackwell architecture and that massive 16GB buffer of next-generation GDDR7 memory makes this the undisputed champion of the mid-range market, without completely emptying their bank accounts.